Hi everyone, welcome to our beginner's guide to basic Linux command. Today we will learn some essential Linux command that will help you navigate and manage files and directories in your Linux system. So we will be looking into the ls commands, pwd, mkdir, touch, rm, and then cd. So these are the list of commands that we will be looking in. So let's get started one by one. So the first one is we have ls command. So what it does, it allows us to list files and directories in our current folder. So let's say we type ls and see this is the list of directories and files in this current folder. So if we want to see in another folder, we just do ls and do temp. So it will list our files and directories inside the temp directory. Okay. Next is we have pwd. So what PWD does, PWD prints the current working directory where you are currently working right now. So let's do PWD. So currently we are in this directory. Now we do cd temp and now say okay we are in temp directory. So it prints to your current working directory. Now let's learn about touch. So what it does, it helps us to create an empty file at any place. So suppose touch, if I want to create an empty file, touch dummy dot txt. Okay, so now if you do ls and see, okay, my dummy dot txt is created. Now similarly, this way you can create multiple files as well. Suppose we say new file one, new file two, then space new file three. So similarly, you can create as many number of files as you can. So touch helps you to create a new file. Now we move to our next Linux command, which is mkdir. So suppose we want to create a directory, empty directory or a new folder, we can say we do mkdir then test. And let's say if do ls, okay, our test directory is created. Similarly, if you want to create a multiple directory, we can rename it as new folder one, new folder 2, and so on. Now if we do ls and see our three new folders got created. Now we do pwd and see where are we. Okay. Now we move to our next Linux command, which is cd. So cd is a very powerful command to navigate through directories. Okay. So let's see how it works. Suppose we are in this working directory. Now we want to go one step back. So how do we do that? We do cd dot dot. That means we moved one directory back. Suppose we want to move further. Suppose temp, then we have new folder here. Hmm. Now where are we? If we check pwd, so we are inside a new folder. So with cd we changed to two folders. Okay. Now if you want to go to your back directory, we'll do cd dot dot one. We went to temp directory. Now we'll keep one more and we went to our Linux command directory. So we'll do pwd and let's say we are in our Linux command. Okay. Now let's move to next command. Lastly, we have the rm command for today's video. So suppose if you want to remove any files or directory, okay. So you do the rm command and then the file name test one dot. We'll do this, okay. So what it will do, it will remove your directory. But we should be very careful while using this one as it permanently deletes this file. I cannot recover it once it gets deleted. Okay. So now if you see our file got deleted and we cannot recover it. Suppose if you want to delete a directory with this, we can do that. rm minus rf. So r is for recursive, f is for forcefully. Suppose if you have any issues, if you are not able to delete or but still if you provide F, then it will forcefully delete your directory. Now, if we see here, our directory got deleted. Now there is no way to recover it. So you should be very careful while using this rm command. Okay. So that's it for today's video. We learned about some basic Linux command, which is ls, pwd, touch, mkdir, cd, and rm. So with these commands, you can efficiently manage files and navigate through directories in your Linux system. Okay. So keep exploring and experimenting with these commands to become a Linux command pro. If you find these videos helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and for more Linux tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.